Raccoon skull?
Yeah, just look.
Hey,
I'm gonna smash
we're looking at this.
Yeah, it's obliterated.
This is Harley. This is a small raccoon skull. Hold up. This is
out on a raccoon skull.
This is a small raccoon skull. This is Minnie with a fucking big ass mallet. Holy shit! Oh, did you get that, Josh?
Yes, I.
Oh my god!
Look at the skull matter.
Oh my god!
Look at the
Minnie,
skull matter.
Here, K9. It's, dude,
I want one. Ears.
It's yours.
Everybody.
Oh my god! Did you see that?
$5 a piece. It's still
Holy
still my skull.
Yeah.
What's left of it?
We live on Newman Point, man, in Southport. If you want to fucking buy a piece,
fragments are actually stuck in it.
stuck in the fucking wood. If you want to buy a piece, Minnie, leave them there. If you want to buy
some people from Southport. We're crazy enough to do
if
this
you want to buy a piece of skull out of Minnie's Hatchet, 329 Newman Point Road, Southport, Florida, Harlan Crowley, just send me a check for anything, dude. Like, you can have one. Just write me. All right.
Penny. Oh, give us $10 and
Minnie,
I'll let you have
pose
the
with
entire
it.
Thing.
Pose with
$10,
it.
we'll let you have the entire skull.
Yeah.
Skull fragments.